Now we want to automatically insert beams into this drawing. The beams you see here are beams that were drawn by the software when we imported a structural layout from AutoCAD. So to insert beams, you click on the modeling tab and then click create new beam spans, and you can see automatically beams have been created for the model. If you want to know how to sketch a layout in AutoCAD and import to Quickstructure, you can watch the video titled How to Import Structural Layout / Plan from AutoCAD to Quickstructure. The video is on YouTube. Now the program has intelligently placed the beams on the model. What we need to do now is to review them and see that everything is okay. So to review the beams, click on beam properties. Now this is the beam properties window. You can drag and resize. The beam properties consists of the beam collection, the beam spans, supports, beam properties, and also design result. The beam collection consists of all the beams in the model, and when you click them one by one, the respective beams or the corresponding beams is highlighted in the model in light red color. The beam span consists of typically the number of spans within the beam. So for instance, beam 1 consists of 3 spans, and when I click on beam 4 consists of 1 span. For instance, if I click beam 2 is highlighted here. Beam 2 has 3 spans, and I can click on each span and it will be highlighted within the beam. You could see a light blue color highlights for the span 1 within beam 2, and then span 2, and then span 3. So this is how you can check out all the beam positions in your drawing. You can also view and change beam properties. Here you can find the beam properties for any selected beam. You can resize to see more of the window. Let's look at beam 1 for instance. The properties for beam 1 is here. You can see the size of the beams, the depth, the breadth, the depth, and so on and so forth. The beam has 3 spans. Clicking on span 1, it gives me the properties for span 1. Similarly, if I click on 2 and 3, I can see the properties. You can not only view the beam properties, you could change them. You could change any parameters. Just select the beam, then select the span within the beam that you want to change. Then in the beam properties, you scroll down to user defined beam span. You can extend it to see it as is. Set it to true. In this way, once you set it to true, any parameters you change, the software will respect your decision. I'm clicking on span 2 to show you that the beam depth for span 2 is still 450, but if I go back to span 1 of beam 1, which we changed to 400, you find out that it's still there. The software respects the decision. And so this is how you can change many parameters of any beam that you want to change. If you want to change the general parameters for the model design, go to the Tools tab and click Set Default Values. When you do that, you could change the design parameters for the whole model. However, whatever you have set in the default value can be overridden in the beam properties for any particular beam. In the next video, I will show you how to edit beam support.